Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Just yesterday I made a video on how to draw this, and I had this up on the screen because I was playing with it, and somebody asked me how I drew that shape. I think I've covered this before, but maybe not in this way. I mean, a couple of ways you can do it is take a ellipse, and then, you know what, let's work in the center of the page. And this is not how I did it, but it'll give you some idea. Now I'm going to turn on my indexing line and hit P, put it in the center of the page. And then just take your 2-point line and actually go to tangent and just pick your spot, and the line is going to stop at the tangent. See? Then just take your virtual segment delete key and you get that line. But so this is a little narrower, but it's a good one. But the way I actually made this, and I thought I'd entertain the gentleman that asked, I was playing around with this Polygon, and I took my shape tool and I got rid of that center node, and then I got rid of the top node. Well, I got to convert it to a curve. I got rid of the top node and these two nodes, and I made a triangle. So I could have started with a triangle. But then I grabbed these two nodes and went up to Windows, Dockers, and Corners, and I picked 4.3. See, I've still got a little flat spot. So that's how I figured it out. I just went, well, let's go 4.35 rounded corner. Still got a little flat spot. Let's go 4.4. It'll tell you if you're too far. Man, so I must have made this one a little bit bigger. Let's go 4.6. And see, the radius is too much. So we're really close. So let's go 4.55. And see, we got a rounded spot. We do have two nodes that are, and you could adjust that. You could do 4.56 and get those nodes just closer and closer. Well, I must have selected all the nodes that time. And see, you get that shape. So it's a little bit fat. Well, it's not really any fatter than the other one. I just started with a bigger circle. And this one kind of conforms a little bit more to a rounded shape, where this one's a little, and maybe that helps you draw it this way, if that's what you're looking for. And there's several other ways to draw those circles, or those, whatever you want to call them. Hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.